Hola! Today we're bringing you a very famous, easy to make and refreshing recipe for the summertime or any time of the year. The Spanish summer soup, gazpacho. If you're ready, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. We have our fresh produce laid out, so let's start with the cucumbers. First of all, you peel it carefully, you slice it, and then you chop it. Same procedure for the peppers. Let's clean them inside, make sure you remove all the seeds, you don't want them in your mix, and then cut them small. This is gonna go in the blender, so you don't have to be too meticulous. Now to the garlic. And again, cut them very small. Now, this is a little trick that is very convenient in order to peel your tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit of boiling water. So I'm gonna give it a quick boil, and as you can see, the skin comes off right away. So after washing them in cold water, it's now easy for me to peel it off and chop it. Tomatoes are the main ingredient here, so make sure they are good quality and plenty. Now we're adding all the vegetables to the mixer. The order is indifferent, but I go first with tomatoes, then cucumbers, and now we add the peppers. And finally, garlic at taste. Now a little drizzle of vinegar, any type will do, and olive oil. You should be generous with these as it enhances the flavor. And finally, salt at taste. Same thing for black pepper. Now we close the blender and give it a little pulse at first, and then we go with the turbo. There you go. Finally, this is ready, but we're gonna take a further step to make sure we get rid of any lumps and seeds, so it's more pleasant to drink. We're going to use a sieve and press like that, so all the seeds are aside. This is the consistency you want, more liquid, easier to drink. Now we put this in a bowl, because it will be easier to add our toppings. For toppings, you can have croutons, eggs, ham, or the vegetables in the recipe. Presentation suggestion. Or another way is just in a glass and drink it right away. Okay, so I'm going to add the toppings, a little bit of everything. And moment of truth, let's see how it turned out. This is delicious, wonderful. I can't get enough, I'm gonna have another one. So, buen provecho, enjoy, adios.